Adjustable and stylish, the Norfolk Leisure Mini Titchwell corner set is perfect for dining or relaxing with a gas pump height adjustable table. Simply press the lever and pull the table up to your desired height. To lower, hold in the lever and push down. The tabletop is made from aluminium slats, matching the rest of the set. With a showerproof coating, the cushions can withstand light summer showers, but should be brought inside when not in use and during downpours. Keeping them in place is a grip base, which makes them easy to remove for storage and cleaning. The footstool cushions are kept in place with velcro straps. For more information, click on the link in the description box below, and please subscribe to our Garden for Less YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.